Good morning, students of class 8B. In this period of algebra, exercise 2.1 is continue. Question number 5. Simplify and express in the exponential form with a positive index. Index, that you say the exponent or we say the power. All these three words are same. Here, Roman number 1 is 7 to the power minus 5 whole square. So we can write this as 7 to the power minus 5 into 2, because this 2 is power upon power, so these two powers minus 5 and 2 will be multiplied, and in this way we get 7 to the power minus 10. If you change this in the positive index, then you will write the reciprocal of 7, that will be 1 by 7 to the power 10. That became the positive index. Roman number 2. Question is minus 2 to the power 4 into 4 to the power 5 whole power minus 2. So we can write this as minus 2 to the power 4 into 2 square into 2 square, means for this 4 I wrote here 2 square, then power upon this is 5, and again one more power is whole power minus 2. So here minus 2 to the power 4 into these two are power upon power, so those two powers will be multiplied. 2 to the power 5 to the 10 minus 2, and inside the bracket these two are in the form of multiplication, so the powers will be added. Minus 2 means minus 2 is multiplied 4 times, so this will be plus 2 to the power 4, and this 10 will be added, and whole power minus 2. In this way we get 2 to the power 14 whole power minus 2. It became 2 to the power minus 18. If you write in the positive index, it will be 1 by 2 to the power 18. This is question number 5, Roman number 3, and here little mistake is there. 14 into minus 2, that will be minus 28, and here exponent will be plus 28. That is the answer. Roman number 4, question is minus 125 to the power minus 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 4 whole square. So this will change in the base of 5. So for that we can write minus 5 whole cube, minus 5 to the power cube, means if you multiply minus 5 3 times, we can get minus 125, and already minus 2 is the power, and this side 5 to the power minus 4 and power whole square. So this is minus 5 and 3 into minus 2, 3 into minus 2 and divided by 5 to the power minus 4 whole square. This is minus 5 to the power minus 6 divided by 5 to the power minus 4 upon whole square. So this is division. These two are in the form of division. Minus 5 will multiply 6 times. Minus will be multiplied 6 times, so that will be changed to plus. So we write here 5 only, and this is division, so the powers will be subtracted. Minus 6 minus 4 to the power whole square. Now this will be written as 5 to the power minus 6 plus 4 whole square. This is 5 minus 2 whole square. This is 5 to the power minus 4. We change this in the positive index. So for that we write the reciprocal of 5, that become 1 by 5 to the power 4. Roman number 5. This is 4. We'll change this in the base of 2. For that we write 2 square, here is minus 2, and overall here is minus 3, and close inside the big bracket, and upon power is square. This one 2 minus 3 into 2, at first this 3 will be multiplied, minus 3 into 2 into minus 2, and this one will be written, this 2 will be multiplied, so 2 to the power minus 4 into 3, power upon power, that is multiplied. Now this powers, multiplication of powers, 2 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 2 divided by 2, and this minus 3 into 2, minus 3 into 2 to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power minus 4 into 3. So here multiplication of powers became minus minus plus, 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24, divided, here multiplication of powers became minus minus plus, 3 2 is 6, 2 is 12, and here multiplication of powers became minus 12. Now we follow BODMAS. In BODMAS, at first division, then multiplication. So in division, powers will be subtracted, 2 to the power 24 minus 12 into 2 to the power minus 12. So this became 2 to the power 12 into 2 to the power minus 12. These two are in the form of multiplication, so the powers will be added. And in this way we get 2 to the power 0 and 2 to the power 0 equal to 1.